Till contract until what? 31 December.
Yeah.
So, any plan to another club or stay in Sriwijaya?
Now I cannot stay in Sriwijaya because I am foreigner, and foreigner cannot play in Liga 2. So I back to Brazil now in 15 December.
Next club? Nothing. Make a connection with you. Another club? Any?
Now my mentally in Brazil. My future only God know. Understand? Of course I receive one call, but I don't know what happened my future.
Selama di SFC, apa kesannya sekarang?
What's your impression?
Yeah.
What's your impression in Sriwijaya FC during it?
I like player here because the team is good, have good structure, have good fans, and have good staffing, and I meet good player here, and I have good friend here, Beto Vizcara, and I hope and all the best of this club.
If SFC come to Lin,
Yes, I wait in my room. The big boss called me.